Welcome, Power Seekers. Today, we're delving into the intriguing world of the 48 Laws of Power by Robert Greene. This insightful book serves as a guide to understanding power dynamics in both professional and personal arenas. Let's decode the laws of power that can help you navigate through life's challenges. Diving right in, the book outlines 48 laws. We will focus on 5 key laws. First up, never outshine the master. This law suggests that it is critical to make those above you feel superior. If you appear too competent, you risk inciting fear and insecurity, which can be detrimental. Next is conceal your intentions. The idea here is to keep your cards close to your chest. By not revealing your ultimate objective, you maintain an advantage and keep others guessing. The third law we'll touch on is make others dependent on you. This law encourages creating a dynamic where people need your skills or knowledge, making you an indispensable asset. Moving on to crush your enemy totally. It might sound harsh, but this law essentially emphasizes the importance of eliminating any threats to your power entirely, leaving no room for resurgence. Lastly, use absence to increase respect and honor. Sometimes, being away can make your presence felt more. It creates a sense of scarcity and increases your value. These laws, if applied wisely, can transform the way you interact and influence others. The 48 Laws of Power is more than just a book. It's a guide to understanding the dynamics of power. We've talked about laws like never outshine the master and conceal your intentions, reminding us that power requires strategic and wise application. It's not about manipulation, but understanding dynamics and making informed decisions. So equip yourself with these laws and navigate your way to success. And for more insightful content, don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon.